Protecting your personal brand and identity is more important than ever. To help you manage this, we've launched the likeness detection feature in YouTube Studio. This tool is designed to help you detect, manage, and request the removal of unauthorized videos made with your facial likeness, giving you more peace of mind in protecting your likeness as AI content continues to evolve. You can find it in YouTube Studio by clicking on the Content Detection tab. Here you'll see a sub-tab called Likeness. This feature helps you see if others are using your face in videos made with AI, easily request removal of unauthorized content that violates YouTube's privacy guidelines, and helps keep your audience from being misled about you. That can include who you are, what you endorse, and what you don't. Before YouTube can start searching for videos with your likeness, you need to complete a one-time setup process. If your channel has multiple creators, each of them can set up likeness detection for themselves by following this process. First, there are a few eligibility rules to keep in mind. You must be over 18 to use this feature. Only the channel owner or users with a manager role can set up likeness detection. Keep in mind, the likeness detection feature looks across YouTube for the faces that appear in your channel's videos. This means it works best for creators who regularly appear on camera. Each person who appears on camera and would like to enroll will need to follow these steps. In YouTube Studio, go to the Content Detection tab and click the Likeness tab. You'll need to grant YouTube permission to use biometric technology to help identify content that uses your likeness. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. A QR code will appear on your screen. Scan it with your phone's camera. Your phone will open a web page where you'll provide two things: a photo of your government-issued ID, like a driver's license, and a brief selfie video where you'll follow some simple on-screen motions. After you submit, the verification process takes a few days. Once it's active, the tool will begin looking for videos where your likeness may be altered or made with AI. Any videos we find will appear in the Likeness tab. For each detected video, you'll see the video title, the channel that uploaded it, the upload date, and the view count. Some videos may be flagged as high priority for your review. When you're ready, click the Review button. We'll show you the segment in the video where your likeness was detected. From here, you have three options. Submit a likeness removal request. This is the primary option for altered or synthetic content that violates YouTube's privacy guidelines. Submit a copyright removal request. This option is for a different situation, when someone re-uploads your original content. Before submitting a copyright claim, you must always consider if fair use or a similar exception applies. Move to Archive. If you don't want to take any action, you can just archive the video to clear it from your queue. If you select the likeness removal request, a form will pop up. We'll pre-fill your legal name and email. You'll just need to select your country and confirm if you're reporting for yourself or on behalf of someone else. We also ask if your voice is present in the video, to help us better evaluate the complaint. You'll provide some additional info about how this video uses your likeness. Finally, you'll review a few legal statements and hit Submit. Completing this step should only take a few minutes. YouTube will email you about the outcome of your complaint if the content is removed. Please note, YouTube will not remove all content. We weigh several factors when assessing removal requests, including whether the content is parody or satire. If you check the tool and don't see any videos, that's completely normal. It just means we haven't found unauthorized uses of your likeness on the platform. Whether you see videos detected in the tool or not, you'll know this is working in the background to protect you. This tool is also optional. If you ever want to opt out, you can go to Manage Likeness Detection and ask us to stop searching for your likeness. Your data collected for this tool will then be deleted from our systems. We hope this new likeness detection tool gives you more control over your likeness and helps you protect both your identity and your audience. For more info, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.